Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Honda Civic vs Corolla full comparison. Follow along as I break down performance, comfort, costs, and ownership factors so you can choose confidently. I talk about engine feel, fuel efficiency, interior space, technology, reliability, and resale value in a straightforward way. I aim to give balanced pros and cons, practical ownership numbers, and real-world driving impressions to make your decision easier and less stressful. In this video, I will compare Honda Civic vs Corolla full comparison. Follow along as I explain acceleration, handling, and comfort differences so you know how each car feels on the road. I discuss engine choices, transmission behavior, and typical fuel economy to set realistic expectations. I also highlight ride quality, steering feedback, and how those traits influence daily commuting and weekend drives for different driver priorities. In this video, I will compare Honda Civic vs Corolla full comparison. Follow along as I take a quick pause to ask for a like and subscribe if you're finding this helpful, and to share a light recommendation about a product I actually use. Quick recommendation: try the leak-proof meal prep containers I mentioned. They save time and are surprisingly handy for road trips. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will compare Honda Civic vs Corolla full comparison. Follow along as I review interior comfort, cargo space, and tech usability to show how each car fits daily life. I cover seating, trunk dimensions, dashboard layout, and standard safety offerings to help you prioritize features. Then I examine ownership costs, typical repair expectations, and resale tendencies so you can weigh total cost over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.